Hello again, Kfir Lavi, Crazy Cat Chef is here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate coconut dream peanut butter pie fudge. Now, the ingredients that you will need is again at the bottom of this page, and for the dough itself you will need 100 grams of butter, cold and chopped into small cubes. You will need 1 cup of flour, a full cup. You will need 2 teaspoons of Hershey's or whatever chocolate cocoa that you need, 1/4 of a cup of sugar, and a little bit of water. Now instead of water, I'm gonna use Crazy Cat's chocolate coconut dream coffee, but it's supposed to be cold, so you better brew 4 ounces of coffee and put it aside till it gets really cold, and then you will be able to use it if you need. For the we're gonna mix everything together. Butter, with teaspoon cocoa, the cup of flour, and 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Start mixing it, start beating that scrap. Don't forget to scrap the sides. Mix everything. Add a little bit of water again. Actually, it's not water, it's the chocolate coconut dream coffee that I brewed before, and it's cold now. Take the dough into a cling wrap. Doesn't look much. And flatten it a little bit and put it in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. Take the pan, spray a little bit of the oil, add the dough, and create small nice pie shape. Okay, so now we have our chocolate base. In the refrigerator, we're gonna take 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of chocolate, dark chocolate, bittersweet chocolate, baking chocolate, or anything you like. We're gonna take 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of chocolate, dark chocolate, bittersweet chocolate, baking chocolate, or anything you like. Broken into small pieces, squares. Third cup of sugar. And 3 spoons. We're gonna put it on Anne-Marie. I'm gonna melt it on top of a heating. Okay, not straight on water, not straight in water. You can also do it in the microwave if you like. You're gonna put it and get it into a nice creamy bun. Creamy. We're gonna pour on top of it fudge. Bye guys.